Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Jake Bautista from Metroguide Realty, and today we are touring this brand new, modern, and quality built 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. Now, this property is located in a quiet, peaceful, and well-planned community with fast access towards Alabang, Sukat Road, and the airport as well. Now, let's begin by talking about the property size. It has a total floor area of approximately 330 square meters across 2 levels with a 204 square meter lot. And let's take a moment to appreciate that beautiful facade. Now let's go. Welcome to your parking area, which can easily accommodate 3 vehicles. Have a mezzanine space right here, which serves as a staff room on top of another staff room at the back of the property. Both have their own bathrooms as well. And what's noticeable here is the width of the parking area. You can see that even if you have a sports utility vehicle or even potentially a van, in terms of the width, it can fit here. Okay? And then, just for orientation, this is the access towards the mezzanine staff room. Okay? And another noticeable aspect here, and a nice touch, is this entire front area is already covered. So that comes in handy because right before we started shooting this video, there was a light rain shower, but no worries because of the cover here. You have an elevated ground level and access here towards the back of the house with a nice cool landscaped area. In addition, here at the side of the house, you have a landscaped area and pavers giving you access towards the patio at the back of the house. And another nice touch is this additional increased height for the perimeter wall for increased privacy. Though this village is already very private and secure. Furthermore, you also have an automated door lock as well. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Clean, polished, and well-made. These are the words that come to mind as you enter through the main door here, and you're welcomed by a high ceiling space with plenty of natural light coming from the windows in front of the house. You have your main staircase here, but let's now focus on your open concept living and dining space. Your living area is characterized by your high ceiling with beautiful cove lighting and your media cabinetry on this side with this feature wall with that elegant design. You can have your television set right here and nice indirect lighting as well. You already have air conditioning units right here for both the living and dining space. You also have large format tiles here, which are complementary to both light and dark furniture. And you also have cove lighting for your dining area. You have a provision here in case you'd like to have your own light fixture after purchasing the home, which of course would fit into your own personal aesthetic. Now, for the size of the dining area, this can easily fit a nice round table or a table for about 6 people. And then on this side, you have a sliding door leading towards a tiled patio space. Now you have a nice patch of greenery right here, and you can walk all the way to the front of the house through the pavers on this side. And then on this side, you currently have a landscaped area, but you can potentially convert this into a nice barbecue area as well in the future. And of course, it's time to feature one of the nicest areas of this home, your modern kitchen. You have a peninsula countertop right here. And what stands out for me for this area is the aesthetic of the colors used, meaning the combination of the cabinetry paired with the splash tile right here and the countertop design. You have a nice meal prep area here, and it's nice to note that already included with the property is this La Germania oven and range hood, as well as a microwave here on the other side, which is just about to be installed. You also have a provision here for your refrigerator as well. Now, on this side, you have access towards the service area of the house as well as your staff rooms. Let's take a quick look. Here we are at the service area of the property, where you have an additional heavy sink, and this is where you can potentially have your washing machine. You also have a staff room here with a bathroom on top of the second staff room, which is the mezzanine area over the parking area. Okay, let's head on. And I'd also like to mention that this box right here is the washing machine, which is already included with the property. Okay, now let's take a look at the first room in the house. Now, this is a multi-purpose room. This can potentially be a guest room, a home office, a playroom, a music room, a study room. It's up to you, but it already has a split-type air conditioning unit and lots of ventilation through these two windows, and you have a view of your parking area from here. On this side, you have access towards a bathroom which doubles as the powder room, which you can also access from the living area. Take a quick look. This is the area underneath the stairs, and it has been maximized to have a shower area as well and natural ventilation. As I mentioned before, you have this door here leading towards your living space. All in all, such a well-planned ground level main amenity area. Now let's head on up towards the second level, where you have 4 more rooms. Let's go. You have a nice level in terms of how high the staircase is, so it's easy to climb. Nice finish in terms of the natural wood used for the railings, with tempered glass of course, with guide lights as well. Now, this is a nice area as you go up and down the house. You can potentially have a light fixture here placed after you purchase the home to add an additional personal touch to this main space. Welcome to the second level, and the first thing that I noticed here is the significant ceiling height. For reference, I'm about 5'10", so you can see how high this ceiling extends to. And now let's begin by taking a look at the primary bedroom of this home. This is a corner room facing the front of the property, and the main feature here is the large sliding door and window here on this side of the room. We can fully show the view for the privacy of the surrounding neighbors, But what's nice is you have so much natural light for this area. There's space enough here for even a king-sized bed, and you already have cabinetry here and space for a large widescreen TV. You also already have a split-type air conditioning unit, and of course, your master bathroom. With a very elegant finish, and the aesthetic has a nice feel which matches the aesthetic at the ground floor as well. So you have a dual vanity sink space, a tempered glass shower enclosure, and I like the height of the enclosure so that none of the water will really splash out from the area. In addition, you have your toilet on this side, and then this side is maximized for storage. And having these additional lights is also a nice touch. And on top of all of that, your primary bedroom also has a balcony space. From this angle, you can appreciate the size of your balcony. You can potentially have a table and a chair here as an additional place to relax on top of your main bedroom area. And it's also almost completely covered as well. Okay, let's head on in. This property has a very calming feel, and I think the aesthetic of the light colored door frames, doors, and flooring contributes to that. Now here we are at your third room. Now this particular room can accommodate a single bed, and you have a nice ceiling height once again, split type air conditioning unit, and additional storage on this side. And this room has its own bathroom right here. You also have a very polished finish, nice earth tones matching the feel of the main bedroom. Okay, and now it's time to take a look at your fourth and fifth bedrooms. These are excellent for siblings because they have a shared bathroom and they are positioned on the two corners of the house. Let's take a look here first. So being a corner room, you have light coming from two sides. It has a similar design as the last room. You have a nice study table area right here, and this can also accommodate a single bed. And as I mentioned, you have a shared bathroom right here for the fourth and fifth rooms. And right here you have your fifth room. Now this has a larger study table area, and this can potentially accommodate a semi-double bed in terms of the size. It also has convenience switches right here, which is a nice touch. So you don't need to get up and go to the switch beside the door to open and close the lights. Okay. In addition, you also have screens for the windows. And that caps off our quick tour of this quality brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. Thank you for joining us in this tour. And if you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, you can contact us through our details in the description below. In addition, you can also contact us and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.